In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Upwork Rising Talent Badge without any jobs. We'll start simple. Open your browser, head to Google, type Upwork, and click the official website. Once you're in, here's the key reality. The Rising Talent Badge is invite only. You can't apply for it. Upwork awards it when your profile shows quality, activity, and professionalism, even if you haven't completed any paid contracts yet. That means the most impactful thing you can do is fully complete and optimize your profile. On your profile page, look to the right for the completeness meter. Your goal is 100%. Click. Complete your profile to see exactly what's missing and work through each section carefully. Fill out your working style so clients understand how you communicate and deliver. Add a clear employment history and your education so your background is obvious at a glance. And don't skip the portfolio. It's one of the strongest signals of skill. As you write, avoid generic text. Clarity and specificity matter more than length. Instead of vague claims like hard-working designer, share focused statements like, I design conversion-focused landing pages for SaaS using Figma and Webflow. The more concrete and relevant your language, the easier it is for the system and clients to understand what you do. Now, about that portfolio. You do not need paid clients to build it. Upwork evaluates proof of skill, not whether a project was paid. Include self-initiated pieces, practice projects, coursework, or redesigns that demonstrate your process and results. For each item, add a short project summary, your role, the tools you used, and what improved because of your work. If possible, show before and after screenshots or link to a live result so your impact is obvious. Keep checking the completeness meter as you go, and continue filling in anything that's missing until it hits 100%. This single step ties together everything Upwork looks for: a credible profile, visible skills, and consistent attention to detail. When your profile is complete and your portfolio clearly proves your capabilities, you align with what the Rising Talent Badge rewards. To recap, get to Upwork. Understand the badge is invitation only, complete every profile section, use clear and specific language, and build a strong portfolio even without paid work. Do that, stay professional in your communications, and you'll give yourself the best chance to earn the badge sooner rather than later. Good luck as you polish your profile.